Hi there. Do you know that the meaning of POP, POP ceiling, the one in your room and the one that you cannot rent a house until you see, is actually called the Plaster of Paris? Yeah, I know you're shocked. The Plaster of Paris, that's what we call POP. Possibly they found it in Paris, maybe it was used over there. I'm yet to research the history. But it's so amazing how something so foreign is actually influencing the current price of housing in Nigeria. And now you see clients with old buildings just go take out the old ceiling, replace it with the Plaster of Paris, and then inflate the price that common man in Nigeria cannot afford. I don't see a reason why the house rent should hike from over 100%. And the only thing that has been changed in the house is the ceiling. That is bad. And that's because we have no regulatory bodies to checkmate these things. The functionality of the space was not improved. The space size was not improved. The services in the house was not improved. The only thing that was changed is the POP and the painting, and boom, like that, 100% increase on the house rent. I'm not against POP. In fact, we are in the era of modernism, and if we are going to embrace modernism, we must be able to embrace modern materials. But you will also see that there's been a lot of collapse. Take a look at this video. This can be avoided. This should not be a prayer point. We've even recorded issues of the POP falling on occupants and all that. And why? Why is that? Number one, we have used the material without understanding the environment where the houses we are using them in is located. You go and build a house in a place that is moist, the weather is moist, and you don't know that this POP absorbs the moisture that comes from the air and becomes heavy over time. Sometimes we even have leakages that happens in the building dropping on the POP, and then it increases the weight of the POP and then eventually leads to a collapse. Most time is actually installation errors. I have seen houses that people just stick POP to a slab, because those things, they harden over time and they can actually stay for years. And they go around and stick it to a ceiling without any proper hooks. And over time, it does what? It loses strength as the building moves and all that. It collapses. And some of these things are even on fake materials. Anything that comes into our country, we have a way of replicating our own version. That's supposed to be a good thing for a country that is developing, but are we replicating the good quality? And so some POP materials that are being used to cast the board actually expires and fade over time. And before you know, even though it's properly installed, if the material used is not original, you can expect that thing will fall. What is the alternative? Use quality materials. Use good skilled people to install your material, and make sure that the environment you are installing is actually compatible with the POP material. If not, stay with your gypsum board. Stay with your asbestos ceiling and the ceiling material that we know.